Alden Richard update yan sa post na Sparkle. Watch first look at Big Tiger starring Alden Richard at Max Collin. Isa si Alden sa mga producer yan. Nagsama 4 na producer sa isang movie. Yun, no? And Los Angeles Studios. Bridge and Lozier Studios. Marriott Entertainment at Voltage Pictures. Ito yung first look na upcoming international movie ni Alden na Big Tiger. Yun, no? Solid yan, no? Sigurado ma-action yan. Yan na si John Leeds. Yan, no? Coming soon. So ito ay the story ni Christopher Martin, Aldous Richards daw. Yan, nasa Taiwan pala BFF ni Alden na si Christopher Martin.
Also food, of course, I encourage him to try a lot of Filipino food. Again, I think a few days ago, the day before we wrapped, nagdala, of course, the A-Team brought in different street foods and tusok-tusok for our international partners to try.
Pinalabas na may prison, merong warehouse. Saan itong parte ng Pilipinas?
So, meron kami mostly po dito sa Metro Manila. Tondo, City, meron tayo sa, actually may Bulacan din. And the way, yung production value, sobrang na-amaze ako sa production value that Big Tiger has because yung sometimes because of budget constraints, we're not being able to really maximize and utilize our resources. But ito kasi nag-build talaga sila ng soundstage, meron kaming binild na kulungan para at least, and also may binild din kami isang segment ng building where I live, where my character lives. So with that kasi parang you get to really get full control of the environment, not so much noise, and weather din at the same time. So slowly, I think that's one of the things we should really adapt as local filmmakers, is also to give value for production. Kasi nagmamanifest siya sa material that we have. It's pelikula, it's a story, ano siya magkwento. And that's one of the things that I've learned na sobrang nag-stick sa akin. So at the same time, yung professionalism and yung passion and yung sobrang pull in lahat dito for this project. Nadala nila ako. Nadala lang nila ako.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard, yung Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.